Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm coming with an unboxing video of Ancient and Medieval History of Study IQ publication. And thanks to one of my subscriber, उन्होंने बोला कि Study IQ की ऐप पर ये book available है. And thank you for that information. And some books like Indian Society, Internal Security, International Relations, Science and Technology, and Disaster Management. These books are also available in the Study IQ app, and it is not available in the platforms like Flipkart and Amazon. If you want that book, you can buy through that app. So it usually takes 7 to 10 days to receive that product. I got these books after 9 days after placing the order. Its original cost is 499 rupees, but I got this for at 230 rupees. मुझे कुछ discount मिला था. So let's open this package. And these are the detailed content of these books, and both ancient history and medieval history is given. Ancient history, it starts from prehistoric culture of India to religious movements like a Sufi movement, to that phase. It's end there, and it includes all the previous year prelims. It's given at the every end of the chapter. And I really liked its cover page, and it have a very printing quality, and some maps are included to locate example like Buddha's map is given to the places of Buddha's places associated with the Buddha's life. That was one of the UPSC prelims question, and I really liked its cover page, and its printing quality is also very good. And I really like this book, and this is not a review video, it is just a first impression video after opening unboxing this book. So that's all about this video. See you. Bye bye. Take care.